Welcome guys, so today I am with REALME GT Neo 3 and I want to show you a few camera tricks. So as you can see, at the first when you open the camera, we're in the standard photo mode, and right here we can find few cool options. I think that at the first we can start from the zoom feature. So as you can see, we can switch between ultra-wide lens, wide lens and also telephoto lens. But if you want to go forward, you can click and hold, and after that you will get 5x and 10x. And as you can see right now, the quality of the zoom is really good. The maximum zoom of this phone is 20x, as you can see. That's how it looks right now. And you are also able to zoom in and zoom out with this slider. It looks very smooth, as you can see. Another tip will be about the brightness level, so you can just click on the screen and then move the sun icon to gently decrease or increase the brightness level. You can tap on the screen to make it automatically. Another tip will be about the volume buttons that you can find in this place. So we can press volume up or volume down. I mean click and hold and you will take series of the photo. But when you click once, you will just take photo like with this shutter. When you click and hold the shutter, you will also take the burst shot. Another tip will be right here, so we can add the different filters. You can change color and the temperature, as you can see. If you want to take photo with this one, just select, click on the shutter, and there it is. To go back for the original, just swipe like that. Another feature will be right here. It's the camera delay. So we can pick 3 or 10 seconds, and when you set up the 3 seconds delay and tap on the shutter, after this time the photo will be taken. Simple as that. Right now we can smoothly move for the settings, and as you can see right here we can also find a lot of different options. For example, we can finally get rid of that shutter sound, so it's right here, we can turn it off. Another option will be right here, it's the tap to capture. Right now when you tap on the screen, you will just take photo. When you click and hold, you will lock focus. And also I want to show you how you can get more details on your photo. So I can recommend you to use this mode, it's called 50 megapixel mode. And let me show you the difference between this mode and the standard one. Right now we are switching for the photo mode, and let's make comparison. So that's how this photo looks with the normal mode. And that's how it looks with the 50 megapixel mode. As you can see, we can spot definitely more details, especially when we take a look right here on this old cell phone keyboard. And we can also zoom in much closer. So that's probably one of the most useful features in this camera application. So I think that's all for the REALME GT Neo 3, all tricks that I can show you. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.